what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Yeda for those of you that are new. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out and you can join the Glam Squad. Be sure to hit that bell link. That way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. Today's DIY project, I will be using this black decor pillow, blinging it out, making it very glam to go in either my living room or my bedroom. So if you want to see what I do with this pillow, go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, for this project you want to get a black decorative pillow, some adhesive gems. Now you can use any color pillow you would like, but I chose to use black, and a lint roller because black gets very linty. So you want to go ahead and take your lint brush and roll off any of that lint that happens to get on your pillow. From there, the first thing you want to do is take your gems. And you want to start peeling the gems off. You want to make sure you go straight down the middle. Now you can choose to do whatever design you want, but for this particular pillow I wanted the gems to go straight down the middle. And from there you want to take the gems and go ahead and place them onto the pillow. Now for this particular project I did not use any type of glue. I just used the adhesive that was on the back. And you just want to press firmly onto the pillow. As you can see, I started with the bigger gems first, and then I will go ahead and grab in the little gems, and this is how it looked halfway down. And I went ahead and just kind of eyeballed it to see how I want it. You can do whatever design that you want. And you want to take that design from the top and work your way all the way down to the bottom of the pillow. And once you have done that, you have yourself a glammed out decorative pillow. This is how it turns out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more DIY projects like these, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!